Hello my friends, Mike here. In this video you will get an Omnisphere quick tip that I call Browse Without Effects. Let's check this out right now. So one of the things that always annoyed me a bit in Omnisphere is when you browse through these thousands and thousands of presets, while the sounds can be good on their own, the effect chains can be drastically different. So if we have this sound here, okay, so if we go into the FX chain, you can see there's an inner space here, BPM delay there, precision compression here, some aux reverb, send, and all that stuff. Well, you can of course turn off the effects by clicking here, this blue little sign, and now it's just a pure raw sound there. Now, if you change to another preset, of course you will get that effects chain, which is drastically different. Now, if you want to browse sounds without any of these effects on, so you can get the raw sound and then dial in your own effects chain, just turn off this, so it's red now, raw sound, go up here to the lock sign here, and then lock the effects. This means that the effects chain is locked for any preset that you choose here in the preset browser. And since you basically just turned off all effects, that off state is now locked. So now you can browse through any preset and get only the raw, dry sound. Now take action and watch all my Omnisphere tips and tricks videos so that you can learn and master this amazing plugin. You can also find some extra bonuses if you check the links in the video description. I'll see you in the next video, my friends. Now choose which video you are going to watch next, or you can check out the amazing bonuses in the video description.